So, ganito po mag-change ng 100,000 points to 99,000 coins. Click nyo lang po yan, tap up, and then USDT. Copy po yung link. And then, punta po tayo dun sa inyong points. And then, withdraw now. Tapos, yung link po ng USDT, papalitan nyo po yung link niya. Pero first, lagay nyo po muna yung password. Yan. Then, yung link, i-paste nyo lang po doon. Then, submit. Yan. And then, withdraw now. Lagay nyo po yung amount na $10. Then, submit now. And, password again and confirm. Ayan, na-withdraw na po. Then, check nyo na po doon sa coin trading. Bali, may marireceive po kayo na nag-withdraw kayo. Then, mga ilang minutes lang, marireceive nyo na po siya. Ayan, withdrawal successful. Then, punta po kayo doon sa coins trading, ayan. Then, mag-send na kayo ng coins kung saang ID nyo po isa-send. Yan. Thank you.